AUC has greenery spaces all over the campus. In order to encourage students to get more involved with sustainable agriculture, Adopt a Plot project was launched in 2014 and now it's back again this year. The project encourages AUC community members to cultivate and harvest their own vegetable or fruit plots on campus.
Adopt a Plot is a project that helps the AUC community, students, faculty, staff to engage more in the sustainable way of life and the agriculture way as well. Each one will be provided with technical assistance, and CARES, the Center for Applied Research in Environment and Sustainability, will be responsible for providing the tools and the guidance throughout the plantation journey for all the participants. The objective of this project is to help the AUC, is to communicate with the AUC community, to learn the basic way of farming, and to engage more in the sustainable way of life, and of course to have fun.
الحاجات بقى اللي عندنا في توماتو، في كيوكمبر، في بروكلي، في سبانيتش، في بينز، بارسلي.
Well, CARES has provided an ad through AUC Connect and AUC News that contains a Google form. Every participant can access the Google form and register his data. After this, we contact the participant. Then the participant comes over and we can start the registration process, which is just choosing his or her plot, choosing the seeds, and after this you are set to start your plantation journey. We have 21 plots. Each plot contains 4 lines, 10 meter in length and 4 meter in width, which is 40 meters square. Each line can grow 2 seeds on it, so you have a total of up to 8 different crops that you can grow in your own plot.
People who love agriculture applied and registered in this project.
I chose to participate in this project because it's a very intriguing process to plant and get involved in gardening. I have to admit there's been plenty of plants that has not succeeded with my efforts and care, but I thought I could learn how to do that more successfully here, and it would be a very cool team initiative to do with my colleagues.
مقدار سنتي، ده سنتي واحد بس، ده كده
the participants can have their crops after they grow, they harvest them and they take them back home. And of course, each participant can involve his family, his kids, his friends, his colleagues. It's open to all the people. Adopt a Plot is at AB1 gate, just right beside AB1 gate, which is next to the swimming pool. There is a small fee that you pay during your registration, which is £400. After you finish and give up your plot clean and neat, we refund you with 100 LE.
Adopt a Plot project is a good opportunity for all to better understand sustainable agriculture and get more close with the environment. Enhancing the ability of agriculture helps in adapting to climate change. Hoda El Nahlawy, AUCTV, Cairo.